Jordan here, I'm back for another video. This video, I'm going to be unboxing some products from Honyocker Beard Co. Let's get started. Alright, so a couple quick facts about Honyocker. I'm not going to go into the full scents available, full products available in this video because it's just an unboxing, but when I do the review, we'll talk about all of that. I'll also have Honyocker linked down below. And so Honyocker is owned by Adam Hahn, he's the owner, and they're based in Pekin, Illinois. It's a small batch family-run business. Yeah, let's talk about the scent profiles that I got. Alright, so I got Avenue Blue, which is a blend of barbershop fragrance, sandalwood bourbon, and vanilla. Memoirs is vintage leather-bound books, cherry tobacco, blackcurrant absinthe with touches of rich, elegant oak. Humidor is spicy tobacco and vanilla with a rich nutty note. Naked City is a cologne-based blended with Arabian woods, oud, and Tuscan leather. Yeah, next let's talk about the ingredients for the beard oil and the beard butter. Alrighty, so for the beard oil, it's going to be jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, argan oil, castor oil, vitamin E, as well as fragrance and essential oils for scent. And the beard butter is going to be shea butter, cocoa butter, and then the carrier oils that I mentioned, plus white beeswax, and then fragrance and essential oils for scent. Without further ado, let's unbox these products. Alright, got this box from Honyocker, like I said. Without further ado, let's this actually got here pretty quickly, all things considered. I did pay for the faster shipping, so it's definitely a good move. It definitely makes a difference. Alrighty, so I thought I was recording. So I did the whole unboxing and didn't realize that I wasn't recording, which is because it started recording and then stopped halfway through. But got everything out of the box. We'll just get into these scents here. So we got alright. So first we got the Humidor, which is their tobacco scent. Ooh, oh, that's nice. It's like not your typical tobacco scent. Like it's very smooth, kind of nutty. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's really nice. And then next we got Memoirs. Whoa, that's a nice scent. They're kind of sweet, warm. Wow, that's nice. And then next, Naked City, which is a cologne scent. Arabian woods, oud, and Tuscan leather. Ooh, dang, that's cool. I definitely get the leather for sure. Yeah, it's like, again, not a typical cologne scent. It's exotic. It's an exotic cologne. Last but certainly not least is Avenue Blue. Yeah, it's definitely a barbershop. That's nice though. I like it. Nice and warm. We got the unscented butter, which I'm just going to check, confirm the unscentedness of it. Yep, 0 scent to that whatsoever. That's what it looks like right there. And I will be testing this out, obviously, and doing a full review. And we've got the instructions and ingredients on the bottom there. Super cool. Also in the box, I got the got a thank you card from Adam, handwritten note, as well as his business card right there, and then a bunch of stickers. So I got Yock on the fist, and then this one, Yock Strong, and then the classic logo right there, and then this cool like burlap bags that you can use for the oils if you're traveling. Super cool. Obviously co-wash. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Alright, so yeah, that was another unboxing. Honyocker Beard Co. Really excited to finally check this stuff out. Stay tuned for a review in the near future. And stay tuned for an episode of Monday Night Truth with Adam from Honyocker coming up, and once he's back to doing stuff and being on camera. But yeah, let me know if you tried Honyocker down below. Thumbs up this video if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, thanks for watching. Back for more soon. Peace.